Good morning. In this lecture, we can see the indications for hydrocolloid impression materials. We all know that fabrication of any kind of dental processes like complete denture, removable partial denture, fixed partial denture, we need to make impression. What is impression? A negative likeness or copy in reverse of the surface of an object or an imprint of the teeth and adjacent structures for use in dentistry. For making impression, we are using many materials: elastomeric impression material, rigid impression material, hydrocolloid impression materials, and we have access also. In this hydrocolloid, we have two types of material, agar and alginate. Let's see the indications for each impression material. Agar is mainly used for FPD impressions and duplication of cast for any kind of processes and used for making impression using wet field technique. And what are the contraindications for agar impression material? Agar cannot be used for making maxillofacial impression and also for final impression for fixed partial denture. Let's see the advantages. The advantages of agar impression material is it will make accurate dies. It has good elastic recovery. It is a hydrophilic impression material. It is a palatable material and also cost effective and reusable. And the disadvantages are the flow of this agar material is very less. Also, as it is a hydrocolloid material, it cannot be electroplated. Also, it is a diametrically unstable. Because of the strength is less, it steers easily. We can make only one model out of this impression. We need special instruments like conditioning unit for processing the material. Also, chances for contamination. Moving on to the next hydrocolloid impression material, that is alginate. Alginate is mainly used for duplication of cast, for making maxillofacial impression, impression for orthodontic purpose, also for impression for making mouth guards, impression for provisional restoration, impression for diagnostic cast, also for making impression for removable partial denture. This alginate impression material cannot be used for final impression for FPD, also for making processes for intraoral processing. What are the advantages? It is a very inexpensive, very cheap material. We can easily manipulate. It has a pleasant taste, hydrophilic. It can be used with stock trays. And the disadvantages are, as I already mentioned, all the hydrocolloids low strength leads to less tear strength, dimensionally unstable due to imbibition and synergist phenomena. We can make only one cast. It has limited detail reproduction. It cannot be repaired. Then I already mentioned about one technique, laminate technique, agar alginate technique. Alginate material can be used for making only primary impression or diagnostic impression. With this technique, we can make use this both the material for making final impression. So the advantage of this is the cost of the equipment is less preparation time. The disadvantages of this technique is the bond between agar and alginate is not strong. Alginate may display the agar impression material in the tray and dimensionally inaccurate. So regarding this indications for hydrocolloid, you can refer the following textbooks. Thank you.